So in this one, we're going to work on getting this scope to stop doing this, right, from before. So we'll call this episode 2. And what we're going to want to do is this little piece here, how this is not staying where it's supposed to. See how it kind of moves around everywhere? And this is like a super simple fix, right? So all we're going to do is we're going to use a simple O-ring. And what I like to do is I like to use 3 O-rings, okay? So these are 16 millimeter inner diameter by 2 millimeter thickness. And what we do, actually let me get a wide view. So all we do is we're just going to undo all of these, right? As loose as we can get them. I like to get them where I can see there's no more threads poking out. So once you see that there's no threads poking out, right, you can, I wouldn't pull it through, but you go backwards with it. And then we're going to want to unscrew. So here's one of my first things is remove all the lithium or all the grease off of it, right? So we don't need all the old grease. And then make sure you clean the grease out of the tube inside here. So once all that's cleaned, once this is all cleaned, and be careful because this has got your little crosshairs on it. You want to spray lithium grease on here, right? And then screw it in and out. But anyhow, the big thing, right, is these O-rings. So we want to put these on this tube. So what I do is I get a kind of a rough idea when I slide the tube in, right? And you're gonna wanna go in tube in first, right? Because there's a little catch here that keeps it from going all the way out. If you can see that, there's like a little lip here, right? And that's where our O-rings are gonna park up against inside there. So I wanna put my O-rings on probably here, and then when I push it in, it's gonna go, or when I pull it out. So sorry, I've done this a couple different ways. We're gonna put them on and put them up here and then pull it out. So what that'll do is that'll push the O-rings down as we go. And I like to use 3. So this one is the initial one I put on. So we're going to put this initial one on first, right? Well, it's just kind of hard holding this and doing this. So we stick our first one on. We're going to stick our second one on. And you're going to want to keep them together. You can get by with 2, but I like to put 3. It holds a lot better, right? So if I do 3 of them, it just holds better. So now I got my third one on, and I want to keep them, well, I want to push them as far up here as I want, right? So when I pull this forward, all of the, I don't know, it's going to be very hard. I don't even know if you can see this, right? But all the rings are going towards the front, right? And they're catching. So once they hit the front there, I can go ahead and tighten these guys down just a little bit. Not too much. You kind of want to keep them a little even. And you can always fine-tune them when you get out there, right? And then we're going to put our other screen back on. So now our finder scope is going to be seeing that without that other grease. Oh, this thing just turns so easy now. And then without that other piece on there, we got no movement in our thing, right? I mean, there's a little bit, it's gonna flex, but see, it's not moving like it was before, so it's now permanently stationary. And now you have your spotting scope staying where it needs to be. So I hope that helps you all. Thanks for watching my channel. So thanks for watching the channel. Subscribe, it'd be great. I'm open for comments. If you have any comments or questions or whatever, you can always ask me. I don't mind answering stuff if I can. If I can't, well, I can't. I'll just let you know that I can't. So that's it for the finder scope, getting that fixed.